Hi. This is my watch. I wear it all the time. Seriously, like everywhere. I wear it. Yep. Not usually in movies though. No, really, not in movies. I lost my necklace, so I'm like really mad now. I'm gonna go and look for it. I'll be back in a second. This is great! This is so great. I just found my necklace. It's beads and seashells. This is so great. This is just like phenomenal. Amazing. Sorry if you couldn't understand my vocabulary there. Phenomenal means amazing. This is my hacky sack. Isn't it awesome? I think I got it at school or something. I don't remember though. Did I scare you? I hope so. This is my Halloween costume. I'm a zombie, so yeah, aren't I cool? I'm a zombie. Yep, now, go away. My movie is over. Just go away. Go. Go. I said to go away. I'm unleashing my powers on you now. You asked for it. Sorry, I got a little bit over mad there. This is my pocket knife. Isn't it amazing? It's got knives, bottle openers, corkscrews. It's got everything. It's even got a magnifying glass. So, yeah. Oh, crap.